Audio Jungle.
So we are, as of this recording, we are just months into your store being open. How's it going?
It's going good. There's improvement every week. I would love more wash dry fold.
Mhm.
It's coming in trickles. We are doing the advertising on Google. We are doing Facebook marketing as well as the Instagram. I have a gentleman who tags doors for me because we are in a city setting, so he goes and tags doors. We have permission to tag cars in the parking lot, all the demographic research, like what I have from Placer AI and my broker,
Mhm.
really gave me a lot of insight into who my people are, and where they're going and what they're doing, which is super important. So there's not a lot of dwell time in our plaza, and flyering cars is important because those are wash dry fold customers and we can flyer their cars. So we just got permission to do that.
Are you are you pleased with your results otherwise?
I'm
Like, are you
pleased
feeling
it
good?
gets better.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
it's very scary. It really is very scary. Frightening, the most frightening thing I've ever done, but I'm pleased with the improvement. There's improvement every week. I just on Wednesday we're doing wash it Wednesdays and $2 washes from 9 to noon. And we did more business in that hour for the second time we did the promotion than we would do on a regular Wednesday. So
Wow.
figuring out where those low times are is important and filling in with something else, whether you're filling in with more wash, dry, fold or more commercial accounts. I think is important to see those holds and what you're doing and make a change. Try it out. What's going to happen?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
how I'm aiming to fill in some dollars that we're missing.
What's it feel like for you? I mean, like it's been pretty fast. Like you were from idea and interest to opening was only a year period.
Mhm.
Um, wh- how do you feel? Like, how do you feel now that you've got this thing and it's working?
It really is exhilarating. And it feels good to finally be doing laundry. All I wanted in the construction process, I just want to have people in here doing laundry. So that was pretty exciting. Yeah. So exhilarating is a word that I always use, as well as terrifying. Your whole life is on the line. You have a 20-year lease that you're tied to no matter what. You've invested in all this equipment that you're responsible
Mhm.
for no matter what. It's a huge responsibility. So yeah, frightening and exhilarating.